Hi, Bud. This is Beth Hoffman. I just got your email about the Zoom meeting, and thank you for that. So I was able to access your video with the password that you provided. And I see this on the screen here in the upper right corner is a download. So here's an idea. This may be easier for you to do. Download the copy of your Zoom meeting. So it's on your computer. And then in course, you should be able to click this Panopto video link on the menu. I'm wondering if you could try something. If you hit this create button, it lets you upload video files. So if you had spent time to download the computer or the file from Zoom on your computer, you could then upload it here and it would become part of the course folder for this particular semester. And in theory, once that is finished, all of your students can also click on the Panopto video link and see the videos that are associated with this semester. I think normally if you record to the cloud when you're in Zoom, the video is added to the Zoom cloud and then also added to Panopto. And everyone that attends the meeting gets a link. Now, if the student missed the meeting, that may be where the kind of sticking point is. But I'm just wondering if you can try downloading the file to your computer. Once that's done, try uploading it within your course so that it becomes part of the video content for this particular semester. Now that may take a little bit. So if it took you, let's see, I don't know if it has the time on the list, 49 minutes. So it may take a little bit to download, then a little bit of time to upload, and then maybe, a little bit more time to finish rendering so that it's fully available for the students. So it may be, it may be ready in an hour or two, I would say. I'm hoping you can give this a try and then give me some feedback on whether that worked for you. And if you need some suggestions on how to prevent this in the future, I can try to help you with that as well.